Oh no, Mika, we're trapped here.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Let's gonna escape Miss Happy.
Okay.
Let's go press the button.
Yeah.
Yay!
Ooh, what's that?
Why there's so many Miss Happy toys? Ooh, Miss Happy and jumping on. Why are you? Yeah, that's the it. Now let's go now.
Miss Happy.
She's chasing me.
Me too. And we play this game now, right?
Yep. She can crawl. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Do you know?
And he's so not fast.
Yeah, I know. Sup. Miss Happy says sup. Sup, bro. Or sup, bro. Something. Ow. Do you see me fell?
No, I just see you poop out.
What do you mean? Poop out or pop out? Poop out or pop
Oh,
out?
hi, we're vlogging. So, do you want to join our vlog?
Do you know she didn't even know us? Oh my gosh, my cell phone just dropped it. Woo! Hey, why do you don't like me? And why do you say poop out or pop out or something?
Hey, faster.
Do you know I'm not good at this?
You're not good at hobby, just like Boss Baby in the Crystalline Gamers, right?
Hey.
And Bobby is a troll one, and Masha's monkey in the first is so really bad.
What do you say?
What? The
Ah!
bad monkey, right?
Oh, do you mean the real life monkey that get wild? Make sure to watch that, guys. There's some part 1 or part 2 like blah blah blah.
I don't say that.
But
Hey, let's go now.
okay.
We just Tagalog.
Okay.
I fall and wait me. We're not gonna race here, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna go wait you here.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Wait for
Where
me.
are you? I'm already
Just
here.
wait, just wait.
Do you know you're such a loser?
You're a loser.
What do you mean loser?
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Miss Happy says I like beans or beans. Climb up and pick up the ladder to help you.
But there's no ladder.
Yeah. Oh, I see the ladder.
Oh, we need to parkour.
First parkour, second parkour.
Bye. I'm
Hey,
stepping on
third
your
parkour.
hand.
Oh, what should we do with this Play-Doh?
What Play-Doh?
I said Play-Doh, not Play-Doh. Anyways, you just hate Play-Doh.
Wow.
Hey, you just pushed.
That's what you get.
That's what you get for what? What do I get? What do I get?
And Boss Baby is F for not honesty, right?
No, she's just honesty. Do you know honesty?
I die.
Wait
Wait for me though.
That's what you get
Wait
for
for me.
trolling me. You miss sucker. Oh, really, miss sucker? You're sorry, miss sucker. Because you know what? You're such a sucker.
I'm done now. I'm done. You die.
Yes, can you please? Oh my gosh. Guys, I know that this will take a while and yeah.
Faster, faster.
Can you just make it? I don't know.
Faster, faster.
What do you faster?
Faster, faster.
Blah, blah, blah.
Faster, faster. Okay, newbie one. You're just like boss baby that not good at hobby.
Well, when you're a baby, you just said Google Gaga.
But you said that too when you're 6 years old.
Oh, because I say it.
Here now, let's go hot dog.
Hey, what do you mean hot dog head?
Because Bobby likes hot dog.
What do you mean hot dog?
Bobby on the Crystal Line Gamers and Marsha's monkey so very bad.
Very bad, very bad.
Hey, come on, you're still there.
Yeah,
Come on.
just don't mind it. I really hate that.
And I'm first in the leaderboard.
Do you mean leadership award?
Now in here in the leaderboards, look, I'm the first.
Wait, let me go see. Oh no, I'm the second.
So bye-bye. Catch you up.
Stop.
Faster,
Just
faster, faster.
if you dare say something. Okay,
Oh no.
don't say fast.
Hey, wait for me.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna stay here.
Hey, where are you?
Wait, I'm here now.
Hey, just wait for me. Just wait for me. Wait for me. Bye bye. Push. Push. Push.
I heard that when you
Hey, wait for me.
No.
Psych. And I'm just gonna cheat because I watch Bobby cheat.
What do you mean? Blah blah blah.
Oh, I forgot to open.
Come on. I'm still here.
Come on.
Doritos.
Hey, wait for me.
Oh, really?
Why you step on a single laser and that's so easy?
What do you mean single? But single is just like a single mother blah blah blah.
But you fell, I see. That's so funny.
You go do it. I'm not.
You see, you're just like boss baby, not good at hobby.
Why I already pushed it?
Oh,
Oh my gosh, your chest sucked a dummy.
sorry. I didn't know because you didn't tell.
What do you mean? Let me go just do it. You're
Yeah.
such a dummy.
Hey, let's go. Where should we go? Wait, what's heights? Are you serious? Hey, wait for me down.
Hey, this is not my
Wait for me, wait.
day.
Bye-bye.
Come on, not be fast. I'm such a weirdo if you just push me. I don't like being like this.
You're just like Boss Baby.
What do you mean? We're almost at the finish line.
Yeah, dami.
Si Dave ay nagising sa ingay ng kanyang
Okay, I want to be
pinag-usapan siya ng misis na si Jamie na tingnan ng mga bata at tumawag ng mister para palitan ang mga labi nila. Ito ang nakakapagod na routine tuwing gabi.
Just
Si
wait
Dave
for
ay
me
isang
because
masipag
I
at
fell.
matagumpay na abogado. Nilapitan siya ng kanyang secretary na si Sabrina para ibigayan ng files at pinamalagkit ang tingin ng mister sa sexy sekretarya nito. Tinawagan si Dave na kaibigan
The
si Mitch at
easiest
sinabi na miss na ito.
hobby ever.
Hey, wait for me.
Now I can do that.
Sa lahat ng mga gabi, maya-maya ay dumating ang mga ni Mitch at makikita ang hindi sila close. Si Mitch ay tila walang plano sa buhay at palagi nagtutog ng babae. Sinabi sa kanya ng kanyang mga ay kakasal siyang muli at nalayan niya ang mga babae.
That's why I told ya. Do not go fell down on a spike. What? Seriously? So, stay for part 2.